Creating a wiki page in Confluence is straightforward and allows teams to collaboratively document information, processes, and resources. Here's how to do it. Go to the space or home page. Start by navigating to the space where you want to add the wiki page. This helps ensure the page will be organized in the appropriate place. Click on Create. At the top of the Confluence window, click on the Create button. This opens a new page editor where you can start building your wiki page. Select a template. Confluence offers templates for different purposes, such as meeting notes, how-to articles, or product documentation. If you would like, you can select a template that fits your needs, or you can start with a blank page. Add the title and content. Enter a title for your wiki page that clearly reflects the page's purpose. Then add your content in the editor, using headings, bullet points, tables, images, and links to organize the information clearly. You can also add macros, such as a table of contents or embedded files to enhance functionality. Publish the page. Once you've completed the content, click Publish in the top right. Your wiki page will now be live and accessible to team members.